Hello, welcome to the last video in this section where we are going to be setting up tracking for our funnel. Okay, so make sure you have your ClickMagick account opened, and then your ClickFunnels account is also ready, and your 4% back office should also be opened. All right, so log into your ClickMagick account, and then when you log in, go ahead and click on links, and to bring you to the links page. And if you don't have any tracking set up at all in your ClickMagick account, it will look something like this. Okay, so before we go ahead creating our tracking link, we're going to create a group and a subgroup so that we can keep all our links organized in groups and in subgroups. Okay, so over here I would like you to come um, and click on this question mark over here. It will open in a new tab, and you can see over here link and rotator groups. Okay, and so right here we will type in a new group. Okay, new link groups. We have here new link group and a new rotator group, but the one we actually want to the group we want to create is a link group. Okay, and so make sure that uh, this option is selected. Okay, so let's type, since this is a demo, let me just type create a group called 4% demo. Okay, and then I'll click on create group. Okay, and so the group has been created. Now under this 4% demo, I want to create a subgroup. Okay, because the 4% links are going to be coming out in different funnels. Like we have the Tech Mastermind funnel, which we're promoting now, and so I'm going to go down here and choose the 4% demo. This is a group that I just created, and I'm going to create a subgroup under that group. Okay, and so because in the future we're going to be adding more links, more tracking links to the 4% group, and so we want to categorize all our links. And so I'll write some since there's a Tech Mastermind funnel that I'm going to promote. Let me type in here Tech Mastermind, say demo as well, but you don't have to put demo there. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. Okay, so I'll go ahead and create the subgroup. Okay, so the subgroup has been created. Once we've created a group and a subgroups, we can go back to the links page, or better still, we can just go here and click on the links tab over there, and it will bring us to the links page. So I can close. Okay, it will bring us to the links page. And so before we create the link, okay, you want to make sure that you've selected the right group and the subgroup where you want to place your tracking link into. Okay, so you come over here to this drop down menu. You can see I have a whole lot of groups created, and so we're going to look for the one I just created. You can see it over here, 4% demo. This is the main group. Okay, and then the subgroup I created under it, you can see 4% demo, and then I created a subgroup Tech Mastermind demo. Okay, so I'm going to select that one. Once that is selected, go over here to this top link where it says create new link, and then you choose the first option, create link manually. So I'll click on that link, and it opens up this dialog box where I can enter the details for this new link that I want to create. And so remember, in the previous video we actually linked our custom domain, our Namecheap custom domain, to our ClickMagick account. And so when you come over to create your tracking link, you will see the domain that you linked to your ClickMagick account also in this drop down menu. Now this bottom one here is the default link that ClickMagick gives you, okay, but you remember this is the link that this is the domain, the Namecheap domain that we added to our ClickMagick account, and so I'm going to select that one. But before I go ahead, let me just name my my link, call it something like Tech Mastermind, and then let's say I'm going to use this link on Facebook, and so I can put something like Facebook over there, and then right here I'm going to say um, tech. This is for identification purpose, tech, and put a dash FB. Okay, so anytime I see this link, I know it is a tech funnel. Okay, it's a tech funnel, and it's also the link that I'm using on Facebook. And so let's say I want to create a new link for maybe my Twitter account. I want to create a new link for, say, a solo ad. So what I can do is that I'll just remove this. I'll still maintain the tech mastermind and put something like solo ad, and then right here I can say tech and say something like solo. Okay, so let's say you want to buy solo ad from a particular vendor, and you want to create a custom tracking link to give to the vendor, and so the guy supplying you the solo ad traffic is going to send traffic to that um, uh, tracking link that you are giving him. And so right from your ClickMagick back office, you'll be able to track the number of clicks that has been delivered, how many opt-ins that you have gotten from the traffic, and how many sales you have gotten from the leads that have been generated from that traffic. Okay, and so once that's that, so you name your link, you give it a descriptive name, something that you can remember and know what exactly that link is for. Okay, and so um and you're gonna, the primary URL, okay, the primary URL is the link, is a funnel link in your ClickFunnels account for that particular funnel. So for this Tech Mastermind pre-launch funnel, the funnel URL we're going to use is this link right here at the top. Okay, and so I'm going to click on this copy to clipboard button. Okay, and so once it's copied, I'll come over to my ClickMagick. I'll delete whatever is there, and then I'll paste that link in there. Okay, so you can see it over here. That is my primary URL. Okay, and that's where I'm going to be sending the traffic to. Okay, so over here, cloak link, we'll leave it at the default, which is no. Just track and redirect the URL above. Okay, so we are not cloaking the link, so just leave it at no. Okay, and so once you are sure that everything is set up correctly, just go ahead and click on create link to create the link. And so you can see the link has been created, Tech Mastermind solo ad. Okay, and when you hover the mouse over the link, you can see the page pops up over there. Okay, so this is the Tech Mastermind solo ad, and let me just give you a quick walkthrough. Now this TC here means total clicks. Okay, so once you start sending traffic to this link, the number here is going to start to increase. So the total number of clicks that your link has received, and then this is the number of unique clicks, okay, and then this is filtered clicks, and then this A over here is the actions, that is the number of leads that you have gotten. So if you have 100 people, 100 unique visitors visiting your link, how many of them opted in and you capture their email, that is going to show under this particular column. Okay, and then this here is a percentage of the number of leads that you have. Okay, so now the link is created, but we have to now set up tracking. All right, And so if you click on this link you just created, you will see it gives you your tracking link. Okay, so you have here your tracking link. Now this link is your tracking link, and so for the solo ad or whichever traffic source that you created this link for, this is the link you are going to use for sending traffic. Okay, and so we can preview the link here to be sure that everything is working correctly. All right, so as you can see, the link is working correctly, and we are sure that once we start sending traffic to this particular link, everything is going to be cool. So you can copy the link, just click on it, copy it, and then paste it somewhere, maybe in Notepad or some place that you can always get it and then use for your traffic. All right, so we are not done yet. We are going to actually let me close this up. We are going to now do our tracking. Okay, and so in moving forward, right on this link over here at the end of that row, you can see this gear button over there. Go ahead and click the gear button, and then it brings up a drop down menu. And so we want to track conversions. We want to track conversions, so go ahead and click on the track conversions tab, scroll down, and then it gives you a number of conversion pixels. Okay, we have your sales conversion your sales tracking pixel, and you have your action tracking pixel. Those are the two tracking codes that we are going to use to track the traffic that we are sending to our link. Okay, so at this point you want to go into your 4% back office. Okay, and then we'll open the tech mastermind funnel. Tech mastermind funnel. All right, so go ahead and open it, and then scroll all the way down to step number 2, which is tracking. So I'll open that one up and scroll down. Now I've been okay. Now I have a number of tracking codes already in there. Okay, but depending on the number of tracking links you create, all your tracking codes are going to be pasted in this box. Okay, so it doesn't matter the number of tracking links. It could be 5 links, it could be 100 links. You're going to paste all of them in there. But this is what you need to note, however. Okay, over here it says what, add tracking pixel for the video sales page. For the video sales page. Now the video sales page is the page that the visitors will see after they enter their email into the, let's see if we can go back to the link so that I show you something here. Okay, let me wait. Let's see. All right, let me actually open. Okay, now over here, this, okay, let me just pause the video. This is our capture page. Okay, so the tracking link you just created is going to bring the traffic or your visitors to this capture page. Now when they enter their email into this box and click this button, it's going to take them over to the video sales page. Okay, sometimes for certain kinds of funnels, that particular page is the thank you page. So it could be the presentation page, the thank you page, or the video sales page. Okay, and so that's what it's referring to here as the tracking pixel for the video sales page. The video sales page is the page your visitors are going to see after they enter their email. So the moment the person comes to this page, watches this video, enters the email, and then lands on the next page, then ClickMagick is going to count that as an action. Okay, and so what you need to do now, okay, is to copy this particular link over here, the action tracking pixel. You just click on it and copy it and come over to the tech mastermind funnel setup. the tracking setup. And then if this is the first time you are pasting a tracking link, then you just go ahead and paste it there. But you can see I have a number of them, so I'll scroll all the way to the bottom. All right, and then I'll paste it there. Okay, because it's for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to paste it, but that is where I'm going to paste the action pixel. Okay, and then you go over again and select the sales tracking pixel, copy it, and then come over to your tech mastermind funnel, and over here it says add tracking pixel for order confirmation page. Okay, so after your visitor visits your page, enters their email, and then sees the video and sees the the sales video, and then goes through the funnel and actually makes a purchase. Okay, so once they go to the order page and they make a purchase, that means that after making the purchase, they are going to land on the order confirmation page. And so that is where you want to paste this sales tracking pixel. So you paste the sales tracking pixel on the order confirmation page. So go ahead and paste that link over here. Once you are done, just click on save. Okay, and that's all. You are done. Okay, so basically that is what you need to do to set up your tracking. Let me go ahead and close this. All right, and so once traffic starts coming to the page, you're going to see the numbers here change, start increasing, and you're going to see some results and something happening over there. Okay, and so this is how you set up your tracking. I want you to go ahead and follow the video. If you need to watch it 2 or 3 times or 4 times, go ahead and watch it, follow it every second, every minute, and implement. And I can assure you, everything is there. Everything you need is in the video. And so once you go through it, you shouldn't have any problem. If for any reason you have any problem, contact me, or you can contact your direct upline, the one who brought you into the group, and then we'll be glad to attend to you. But we've made the video so simple and straightforward that you can actually follow the directions and then be able to do it yourself. Okay, and so that's it for setting up your tracking, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Bye bye.